Maraming salamat, Mr. Louie, at maraming salamat, Ross. Ang susunod nating scholar ay average lamang ang naging performance. Pero dahil bukas siya sa pagpuna at handa niyang baguhin ang kanyang sarili, paano kaya niya bibigyan ng sariling interpretasyon ang kantang I Believe I Can Fly?
I believe I can fly.
School life for me was an indication of me growing. Kasi nung time na I was sick, lalo pa sa college, I was sick doing school at nag-treatment ako talaga at the same time.
I used to think that I could not go on, that life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
Our scholar, Sen. Aba, napakarami nagmamahal sa iyo, Sen. Pero pakinggan natin kung naniwala rin ba ang jury sa iyong naging performance. Miss Isay?
Sen, what's okay is alam mo kung paano mo gamitin ang body mo. Buhok mo, mukha mo, katawan mo. Magaling kang pumorma. Number one. Ang hindi okay for me, the choice of song. Dapat pumili ka ng song na mas bagay sa capacity ng vocal cords mo. Next time, pumili ka ng mas bagay.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat.